Even if you're facing this problem of oiliness all around your face, then girls, I got your solution. This is India's first 5% niacinamide oil-free super light gel sunscreen. This sunscreen has 5% niacinamide, UVShieldX technology and Korean White Lotus. Niacinamide helps in balancing oil production, enhance brightness and even skin tone, leaving your skin matte and refreshed. UVShieldX technology helps to fight tan, protect your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays. And the final ingredients is Korean White Lotus. It has powerful antioxidants that act like natural skin conditioner and enhance the radiance. If you have oily and acne prone skin, then please consider buying this sunscreen because this works best for oily and acne prone skin. The texture of the sunscreen is so lightweight, non-greasy, non-sticky and controls oil. And this is best for oily and acne prone skin. I'm applying the sunscreen only one side of my face so that we can see a clear visible difference whether this gives a matte finished look. You guys, this side I've applied Piligrim sunscreen and this side I have not. You can see the clear visible difference. Here I have very matte finished look and here I have my oily skin. Can you guys believe me if I tell you that this is my skin even after 6 hours of applying this sunscreen? Still my skin is matte and super fresh. Oh my god, this sunscreen have passed all my tests. It's non-greasy, non-sticky and best for oily skin. So it keeps your skin matte and super fresh even after 6 hours of application. If you guys thinking about the price of the sunscreen, this sunscreen retails for just 495 rupees only. And you can use this coupon code for extra discount. Then what are you waiting for? Buy the sunscreen and say bye to oily and acne prone skin.